Hi guys, this is XthemastaX. Today we're gonna have a duel with Andi Rain on Day of Defeat.
Oh, hi.
Where are you, Andy? Come out and fight in the name of justice. I thought we were knife fighting.
Oh, sorry. Okay. I have a shovel. Yeah! Yeah! Yarr!
Humiliation.
Ooh, right in the head.
What? Fuck.
I am going to
Okay,
the...
here I come. Hey. My body just drowned to the floor. Hey-ya! Hi, chop, 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 chop. I'm gonna chop you into the onions.
Humiliation.
Yeah.
It's time to choose.
Oh, I can choose. Oh. I chose something. Oh no, where's my spear? I want to use a lance. Yeah! Yeah!
Humiliation.
You killed my blondie! You killed my blondie. Man. Now I have a spear of justice. You shall fall.
No. Oh crap.
Yeah!
I smacked you in the face and you're dead already.
It's like one hit kills. Come on! Justice can't fall like that! Oh, I just shot myself. My corpse, I mean. 1 minute. It seems one is plural.
Humiliation.
Yeah, die, you maggot! Die, American dog!
Hello, welcome to McDonald's. How may I take your order? Is that a rifle I see?
Yeah!
Humiliation.
Is that the Quake sound? The announcer, he sounds like...
It probably is.
I forgot, it's been time since I played that game. Rar. Yeah!
10, 9, 8,
Again!
Good game.
1, 0.
Good game.
Come on!
And that's the end of the
And that's it.
duel. Take care, guys.
Let's go for another one.